each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Jim. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm going to tell you a story about a magpie.
Hey! Mr. Hawk! Down here!
Watch out.
Oh, oh. You let him get away!
I guess I don't see too well when it starts getting dark.
Well, it's time for the old pro to step in and show you how it's done.
Oh! Pow! Pow! Way to go! Yay!
Not bad, even if I do say so myself.
Tell me something, Mr. Owl. Why are you so good at catching prey at night? Mr. Hawk here is pretty good too, but when it gets dark, he's not so hot.
I have very special eyes. The darker it gets, the better I see, and I have very good hearing too. I can hear a mouse clearing its throat a mile away, give or take a yard or so.
The coast is clear. Let's go, guys. Let's go, gang.
Oh, gotcha!
Angry human, let's go.
Gotcha!
Pity on us. Oh, yes, pity on two old mice.
That's 49 and 50. Let's see if the hawk can match that.
Here's the latest on the mouse competition currently underway between Mr. Owl and Mr. Hawk. Latest reports indicate that Mr. Owl has pulled ahead with his 49th and 50th grabs. Congratulations!
What are you gonna do? Class will tell every time. Poor old hawk just can't take the pace.
He thinks he's so smart just because he can see at night. Well, we'll get even with him. He'll be sorry he ever tangled with us. I swear it. I swear it.
Take it easy, Chief. He can hear you. He's got real sharp ears. You know that.
He doesn't scare me. We need that rice, and by golly, we're gonna get it.
Right.
Up on your feet, you lazy sluggers, and sharpen your wits. We're going on a rice raid.
Not a creature is stirring, not even... They've finally got it through their thick skulls that I'm too much for them. Nap time, I'd say.
Wait, friend. Now go. The owl is snoring his head off, and I've sent out the first platoon. What should I do now? Carry on?
Send out platoon B.
Come on.
Hey! They're stealing the rice! Mr. Owl, where are you? Mr. Owl, the mice are stealing the rice!
Come on, all of you, put your backs into it. Work!
Mr. Owl, where are you? Help! Oh, Mr. Owl, help! Please hurry, they're stealing all the rice! Oh, help!
Owl to the rescue! 51 or 52!
Stop it, Mr. Owl! Your job is to protect the rice field, not destroy it!
Stop, you little varmint!
What are you gonna do now? You can't take the light of day, huh? Sweet dreams.
Oh, forget it. I'll take care of him. No! Get back that rice! It's not yours! Mr. Hawk! Mr. Hawk was wonderful. He captured all the mice without damaging a single rice plant.
I was just lucky that it happened to occur during the daytime, that's all.
No, you weren't lucky. You were fearless and clever, and you did your job. I was presumptuous and arrogant. Oh, dear. If I had been as attentive as you were, if I had done what I agreed to do, then none of this would have ever happened.
Well, there's a lesson in all of this. If you want to save your harvest, then don't compete. Cooperate.
Indeed.
Get back up.
Let me give you a hand. What were you trying to do? Kill yourself? Oh, eggs. Yummy. I've got an idea how we can get those eggs. What we have to do is form an alliance. We go back to the tree, you hold my back paws while I reach down and scoop them up. La la la! Isn't that a great idea? What do you say?
That's a great idea. Let's shake on it.
Of course, all the profits our partnership develops will be divided equally.
We'll take care of trifling details like that later, partner.
Eggs for breakfast, eggs for tea, eggs for you, and eggs for me.
I'm almost there. Got it. Oh, darn it! I dropped one!
We'll try to be more careful. What's going on?
I've managed to get a hold of two of them! You can pull me up now!
Huh? How?
I guess I'll have to put him in my mouth and climb up your back! Hold on! I'm afraid one of them broke. It was my fault. This one's yours. Here.
No, it's yours. You deserve it.
Oh, no. Never. It's yours.
I wouldn't dream of touching it. It's yours.
I was the one who dropped the others. This one is yours.
You take it. Go.
No. It's yours.
Oh, I couldn't.
You've got to.
No, it's yours. I insist.
You did your share of the work. You gotta have your share of the booty.
It was all your idea.
Couldn't have done it without
Keep
you.
it, partner. I'm not hungry anyway.
Well, Mr. Wolf, you are truly one of nature's gentlemen. To your good health, sir.
Was it good, my friend?
Simply delicious. Thanks to you.
Well, now it's time for me to fill my belly.
There's nothing left.
I had in mind a light snack.
Huh?
A sneaky liar who thought he could pull one over on me. Yeah, you. Ha!
Foiled again, darn it! Gotcha!
Well, that bell I put on my falcon sure does the trick. Got a nice fat pheasant today, too.
Huh? A magic bell.
Well, we sure put in a good day's work, my friend. Now let's go back home and enjoy the tasty reward. Yeah, it sure was a good idea to put that bell on you.
Why don't I steal the magic bell?
We better hurry, it's getting late. Off we go.
I've got the magic bell. I'll eat whatever I want. I've got the magic bell.
Well. Oh, now I think I'll get it.
I got the magic bell. I've got the magic bell. I'll never go hungry again. A pheasant a day keeps the doctor away.
Oh, I hear the sound of your bell.
Hooray, 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 hooray.
Let's go.
Hey, where you going? I got the bell. Come back here. Come back here. I got the bell. Come back here. You did it! You did it!
That bell did just what it was supposed to do. It showed me where my prey was. Now maybe you'll think twice about stealing other people's property.
The sparrow. How is the sparrow classified in the animal kingdom? The sparrow is a bird belonging to the order of Passeriformes and to the Placeidae family. They're about 15 centimeters long and have a conical beak. How many species are there and where do they live? There are 3 species of sparrow that are extremely diffuse. The house sparrow, found almost everywhere except in Italy, which is the habitat of the Italian sparrow, and the tree sparrow, which is also found throughout Europe and Asia. How do they live? Sparrows live above all in cities, in villages, and in cultivated fields. In other words, they prefer to live close to human beings. How does it move? Sparrows move their wings rapidly and have a swift, straight flight with occasional dips. On the ground, they hop around, always in search of food. What do they eat? Sparrows are essentially omnivorous, but their diet varies depending on the season. In autumn, they mainly eat seeds, while in spring and in summer they feed off insects, buds, and shoots. How do they protect themselves? Unfortunately, their only way of defending themselves from their many predators is by flight. How do they relate to people? Not very well, since sparrows are often accused of ruining crops by devouring both seeds and shoots. Scarecrows are often used to frighten them off. Can they live in the city? Yes, sparrows live quite happily in the city.
Well, have you all learned a lesson? The moral of the story is it's not always a good thing to get everything we think we want. Oh, look who's coming!